Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best cast iron oil is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in maintaining the longevity and performance of your beloved cast iron cookware, ensuring that your pans remain seasoned, non-stick, and ready for countless culinary adventures without the frustration of rust or food sticking. Number 5. FryAway Cooking Oil Solidifier. Tired of messy cooking oil disposal? FryAway offers a simple, plant-based solution to solidify your used cooking oil. It's a mess-free way to handle grease and keep your drains clear. Using FryAway is incredibly easy. Simply sprinkle the powder into hot oil, whisk until dissolved, and let it cool. The oil will harden, making disposal a breeze. Our product is made from 100% plant-based ingredients, making it a sustainable choice for your kitchen. It naturally breaks down, offering an eco-friendly way to manage waste. Say goodbye to clogged drains and greasy countertops. FryAway solidifies oil, preventing spills and making cleanup quick and effortless. It's the perfect solution for a cleaner kitchen. Whether you do a little pan frying or a lot of deep frying, FryAway has you covered. Choose from different sizes to perfectly match your cooking habits and needs. Proudly made in the USA, FryAway is more than just a product, it's a mission to improve oil disposal practices. We're committed to sustainability and even donate to water conservation efforts. Ditch the paper towels and foil. FryAway provides an earth-friendly alternative for managing cooking oil waste. It's a cleaner, more sustainable way to dispose of grease without harming the environment. What we like? This product offers a revolutionary way to dispose of used cooking oil. It solidifies liquid grease into a solid mass, making cleanup incredibly easy and preventing clogged drains. If you're tired of messy oil disposal and want a sustainable, plant-based solution, this is the perfect choice for your kitchen. What people say. The cast iron oil is great for seasoning cast iron pans. It creates a non-stick surface that is easy to clean. The oil is also good for protecting cast iron from rust. Number 4. 8-ounce food-grade mineral oil for wood. Introducing our premium food-grade mineral oil, specially refined for your wooden cutting boards, butcher blocks, and charcuterie boards. It's the safe and clear choice for maintaining your kitchen wood. This cutting board oil effectively moisturizes and maintains your wooden surfaces. It's perfect for bamboo, teak, butcher blocks, salad bowls, and even kitchen utensils. Our formula is completely food safe, absorbing quickly without any smell, taste, or greasy residue. It's ideal for all your wood care needs, from cutting boards to butcher blocks. Use it as a butcher block oil, bamboo oil, or wood conditioner for any unvarnished wooden surface. It works wonders on spoons, utensils, countertops, and all your everyday wooden kitchen tools. Our product comes in a secure squeeze bottle designed to prevent spills. Simply flip the cap and apply directly for fast, clean results on your cutting boards and kitchenware. What we like? This is the ultimate solution for maintaining your wooden kitchenware. It penetrates deep to moisturize and condition, preventing dryness and cracking, and leaves no greasy residue. If you have cutting boards, butcher blocks, or utensils that need a refresh and a protective layer, this oil will bring them back to life. What people say. This cast iron oil is great for seasoning cast iron cookware. It creates a nice, non-stick surface that is easy to clean. The oil is also very versatile and can be used on a variety of cast iron items, including skillets, Dutch ovens, and baking sheets. Number 3. AWEASROY Griddle Seasoning for Blackstone and Cast Iron. Introducing our premium griddle seasoning, crafted for Blackstone, cast iron, and carbon steel. It's designed to maintain your cookware and make your food taste even better. Seasoning creates a protective layer on your cookware surface. This barrier shields it from environmental factors like water and humidity, ensuring its longevity. Experience the signature grill taste as food vapors naturally coat your grill. Our seasoning helps create a non-stick surface, enhancing flavor and preventing food from sticking. Regular use of our seasoning prevents damage like sticking, scratching, and rusting. Enjoy easy cleaning with its natural non-stick properties. Made with premium ingredients and a perfect recipe, our seasoning is safe to use. It ensures your grill is well maintained and your meals are delicious. To maintain its quality, store this seasoning in a cool, dry, and well-ventilated place. Always keep the container tightly closed. What we like. Achieve that perfect sear and delicious grilled flavor every time with this specialized seasoning. It creates a natural non-stick surface, making cooking and cleanup a breeze while imparting a signature taste to your food. If you own a Blackstone, cast iron, or carbon steel grill and want to elevate your grilling game and protect your cookware, this is an essential addition. What people say. This cast iron oil is great for seasoning cast iron pans, creating a non-stick surface that lasts. The oil applies evenly and absorbs well into the cast iron, preventing rust and enhancing the natural non-stick properties. It's a versatile oil that can be used for both initial seasoning and regular maintenance of cast iron cookware. Number 2. Clark Seasoning Oil for Cast Iron Skillets. Keep your cast iron looking its best. Our plant-based seasoning oil is specially formulated to protect your cookware from moisture and prevent rusting, ensuring it lasts for years to come. Enhance the natural non-stick surface of your cookware with our cast iron conditioner. It helps improve the seasoning process for a consistently smooth finish every time you cook. We use only premium, refined coconut oil for our seasoning. This food-grade, plant-based oil is perfect for maintaining the seasoning on all your cast iron pieces. Our product is made from fractionated coconut oil, designed to resist going rancid. This makes it a dependable choice for your regular cast iron maintenance and cleaning needs. Maintain your cast iron effortlessly. Simply apply our seasoning oil after each use. There's no need for oven seasoning, saving you time and effort. What we like. This seasoning oil is designed for effortless cast iron maintenance. Its plant-based formula protects against rust and enhances the natural non-stick properties without requiring oven seasoning. If you're looking for a simple, effective, and plant-based way to keep your cast iron skillets, griddles, and Dutch ovens in top condition after every use, this is your go-to. What people say. Just wash your pan skillet, then pat dry and add a few drops of this oil and spread it around your pan. Then I place mine in the oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for a few minutes to evaporate any water absorbed into the pan. Then it is ready for the next use. Leaves no residue and leaves no flavor in the pan. My cast iron does not stick when baking bread using this method. Works really well for seasoning cast iron without it getting gunky or producing any odor whatsoever. Light coating of product is easy to apply and provides protection of my cast iron skillet from rusting. Number 1. Cast Iron Scrubber Cleaning Kit. Tackle your toughest cleaning jobs with this professional combo. Made from durable stainless steel and heat-resistant silicone, it's built to last. Experience a comfortable grip with the ergonomic handle. Unlike traditional brushes, this scrubber is rust-resistant and won't easily deform or lose wires. The upgraded silicone base is thicker and wider, offering a larger contact area for more efficient cleaning. It's tough, non-slip, and heat-resistant. Our meticulously hand-woven 3D chain structure ensures a solid and strong cleaning tool. The slimmer rings clean quickly and effectively, even without soap. This versatile kit is perfect for deep cleaning pans, pots, skillets, and even pizza stones. Simply rinse under the tap or place it in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. What we like. Tackle even the toughest baked-on food with this heavy-duty scrubber. Its unique chainmail design and ergonomic handle make cleaning cast iron pans and skillets quick and efficient, without the need for harsh soaps. If you want a durable, rust-resistant, and easy-to-clean tool that preserves your cookware seasoning, this scrubber is a must-have. What people say. This cast iron oil is perfect for seasoning cast iron cookware, creating a natural non-stick surface. It's a versatile oil that can be used for both seasoning new pans and maintaining existing ones, preventing rust and wear. The oil has a high smoke point, making it ideal for high-heat cooking and ensuring a durable seasoning layer. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.